myself. This meeting is being recorded. This is I am a software engineer actually, and I have 11 years plus years of experience into backend technologies like Java, Spring Boot, microservices. Apart from that, I have worked on React, AWS, Angular. Okay, so going forward, could you please give me brief information about yourself and what are the technology and technical space you have worked on, so that I can understand where we are actually. Kai, are you able to listen me?
Yes.
So, okay. So, shall I start the introduction of Java?
Yes.
Okay. So, see guys, actually, first of all, I will tell you the history, why Java came into the picture actually. See, earlier days, the programming languages were written into the C and C++. Now, challenge with those languages were there that they were not really compatible with the real world scenarios actually. Or you can say there the things in the whatever the features provided by C and C++ were there, it was like hard coded features. It was not a feature of to interact with the real world and to play with the real world things. So to overcome those problems, actually Java came into a picture actually. So Java is nothing but it's a programming language actually. And if you say the backbone of Java language, it is a OOPS, which is known as object oriented programming language. So that also I will tell you what is object oriented programming language. But first I will tell you the features of Java, why so much Java is popular into the market, and why everybody is demanding Java, and why full stack is coming to the picture, and why people are moving towards full stack actually. Okay. So first of all, if we say for the features of Java, so there are some features like Java is simple. So as we write a code of Java, it's a very simple, it's a very readable form. Okay. And second point, if we say it's object oriented, so I already told that main backbone of Java language is object oriented. So rather than dealing with the class or rather than dealing with the other things, here we purely focused into the object. Okay. Now the third feature is portable. Portable means it's a very compatible kind of thing. Okay, you can easily play with your codes and plugins like that. And the fourth feature, it is very important feature of Java, is platform independent. Now anybody knows what is platform independent? Any folk is aware of that? Anybody from the batch?
It can be used on any platform.
What?
It can be used on any platform.
So what do you mean by any platform means?
Any browsers.
No, don't hesitate. If you are wrong also, I will not, it will be good if you will speak. So it will be, the session will be interactive actually. Okay. Because I want you to learn concept by concept actually. I don't want to make you, just learn like a rattu tota. Your concept should be very clear from the day one. Okay, so whenever you will start in industry with, and if you will face with anyone, so you can be confident enough in Java actually. So what does that platform independent means? So platform independent here means that Java can be run in any platform. Okay, it can be any OS, any platform. It is not dependent on anything, any machine or any dependency is not there. You can run throughout the world, whatever the softwares are there, you can run that independently, Java. Okay, because of the bytecode, because the Java produces bytecode feature. All the classes are converted into that bytecode, and that bytecode directly interact with your machine rather than talking to any separate intermediator. Directly they will communicate with your machine level languages. Okay, that's why it is called platform independent. Okay, now secured. What does it mean? Can you guys tell me secured? Why it is called secured? Anyone from the batch? Anyone from the batch? Don't hesitate. If you will be wrong also, that's not an issue. See, Java is called a secured language. Okay, because it provides so many security features which is inbuilt in it. Okay, so generally in banking we use Java. Why we use Java in banking? Because it is secured, and if you see, whenever you use your bank website, you click on the user details, and that user details goes into your check, and it check the whether is that user is authenticate or not. And if that user is not authenticated, then what it shows? It will throw an error. So this is a feature of security which is provided by Java inbuilt. And apart from that, there are so many features with the securities we can enable in Java actually. Okay, so that's why it is called secure. Do you have any doubt till here? Guys, are we okay with it? Hi guys, do you have any doubt till here? I am asking. Are you guys listening or not?
Yeah, no.
So till now everybody is cleared?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now other feature of Java is robust. Now why it is called robust? Because Java makes an effort to eliminate errors. Okay, at compile time. See here in Java, we have a mechanism to check the error at compile time only. Why to wait till the runtime? In compile time only, initial time only, if you will find the error, then why you will wait for a runtime? So that's why it is called robust. Okay. Then other feature of Java is architectural neutral. So architectural neutral says that Java compiler generates an architectural neutral object file format which make the code compile executable on many processor with presence of Java run system. It means that whenever we will compile the code, you will get one object file format. That compiled code can be executed in any of the processor or in runtime in Java. Okay, are we clear, guys? Now other feature of Java is interpreted. Now what does interpreted means? See, as I already told you, Java uses bytecode, because as already I told that the Java is a platform independent. It uses bytecode. Now we need to translate this bytecode into the native machine instruction. Okay, so this is done by this interpreted. Means once you write the code, it will automatically, when you click on run, it will automatically convert your code into the machine instruction, and it is not stored anywhere. Okay, and it is very light process. Now other feature of Java is high performance. Why is it high performance? Because see, if you might have worked in a C, okay, so you will write a code of C, then what it will do? After writing the code, when you will compile the code, after that your compiler will work, and then it will produce a result that this program is successful or not. But in case of Java, it's not there. It's directly real-time compilers are there. It's called just-in-time compiler. Okay, in which whenever you write the code, it will directly at the same time compile the code and produce the result for you. Are we clear, guys? Till here everybody is clear? Do you have any doubt on any part? Guys, I'm unable
Yes.
to hear you.
Yes, yes.
All people are clear till here?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Now other feature of Java is multi-threaded. Why it is called multi-threaded? What does multi-threading means? First of all, tell me, guys. You guys tell me, what is multi-thread? Anybody from the batch?
Can execute multiple process.
Yeah, good. Multiple process. See, multi-threaded means whenever you write a program, so there might be a huge program. Okay, so every time writing a huge program is also a problem. So what you can do, you can divide your programs into a many simpler form. Okay, it can be divided into the smaller forms. Okay, so that your task become lightweighted. This is a feature called multi-threaded. Okay, guys, clear till now? Now other feature of Java is distributed. Now distributed means you can distribute. It's not specific to single environment. It can be distributed among the environments. So that's why this feature of Java is very important. You don't have to depend on single kind of thing. It's a distributed environment setup, so you can you can run your Java application anywhere. Okay, this is also very important feature. And now last feature of Java is dynamic. Okay, so dynamic, what is dynamic? What do you mean by dynamic? Could you please, anybody can tell what is dynamic? Guys, anybody from the batch? What does dynamic means? See, dynamic feature is like that. Suppose we were using C and C++. Now, why Java came into picture? Because the feature of Java says that it should interact with the real world, dynamic world, moving world. Okay, so this is considered to be a dynamic approach. Okay, so in which this deals with the real world problems, and it whatever the objects and all that are created at the runtime, they are not created at the compile time. So memory is also not given at the compile time. At the runtime, everything happens in Java. Okay. So guys, are we clear with the all the points, or do you have any issue or in an understanding in any of the points? You can tell me, I will clear again.
Can you explain the dynamic?
Which part, ma'am?
Dynamic?
Dynamic. See, dynamic is dynamic is there. What happened in earlier days in C programming, as you have heard. So the things were what happened. The memory of program is allocated whenever you create a program. Right. Suppose you have written 10 integer. Okay. So that memory is created at the time of writing the program. But the feature of Java is dynamic. Dynamic when you create the object and when you will initialize that object. So then only the memory will be created. Okay, otherwise memory will not be wasted whenever you have written a class and you have written a member variable also. Okay.
Okay.
Are you getting my point? Guys, are we clear with this?
Yes.
Okay. So see, now these features have been covered. Okay, now I told you already that main backbone of our programming language in Java is OOPS concept. Okay. So what is object? Can you guys tell me what is object?
If you are typing anything on screen, we can't see that.
No, I'm just asking what is
Okay.
object.
Okay.
Don't look on the screen currently. I'm just asking a question. What is object? Then I will tell you. Does anybody is aware of object? Not to worry. If you don't know the answer also, and if you're wrong also, I will not say anything. Could you please answer at least? Anybody from the class, yeah? Don't hesitate, because I want to make a session interactive. Not just I'm just teaching to you and you are just learning. I want you to learn the concept. Okay, guys. So object is an instance of a class. Okay. Object is an instance of a class, and it is a state and behavior which shows it is known as an object, and it can be both physical and a logical. Are you getting my point? Guys,
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, other feature of OOPS is a class. Now, what is class? Class is a blueprint which consists of all the member variables, okay, and all the whatever the logics, business logics, all that are written. It is a class. So suppose this is a class. Class simple. Are you guys able to see Eclipse?
No.
I have opened the Eclipse. You are not able to see this?
No.
I have shared the screen. Wait. I have opened one ID. Are you not able to see that ID?
No, 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 we can't see.
We can't see anything. We can see the
Eclipse ID. I don't know why it's happening. Wait, I need to reshare the screen. Wait then. Now, are you guys able to see?
no. Still the same.
Still the same.
Yep.
I don't know why I have started the sharing. Wait, I will share this Eclipse workspace. Wait. Now, are you guys able to see?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is kind of, see, this is the ID, Eclipse ID, in which we write the code. Okay. So it's not necessary you can use Eclipse. There are so many editors are there. Okay. It's IntelliJ is there. So many editors are there in market. But generally in our industry, they are using Eclipse. So we are using Eclipse here. Okay. So this is a class actually. So inside the class, generally we write our code, whatever the methods and whatever the blocks, instance block, we write in the class only. Okay. So this class, of this class only we will create an object, and the object creation will be like this. I will show you. Okay. So this simple is a class, and this class consists of a object. This object name we have put as a simple. In place of simple, you can put anything. It depends on you. Okay. Are we clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Now, other feature of Java is inheritance. Okay. Now, what is inheritance? I will tell you here only. Suppose I have a class A. Okay. Which consists of M1 method. Now I have a class B, which consists of M2 method. So if we want a M1 into M2, okay, then what we need to do? We need to extend class A so that feature of class A can be used into a class B. So here we can call M1 also. So this is called, guys, as inheritance. Okay. Are we clear till now? Guys,
Yes,
are
yes.
we clear or do you have any doubt?
No.
Okay, so this is what it is called, inheritance. Now another feature of Java is polymorphism. So what does polymorphism says? Anyone from the batch? What do you mean by polymorphism? Can you tell me? Come on, guys. Polymorphism is a general term. Can anybody tell me what is polymorphism? See, polymorphism means, poly means many. As you might have read a chemistry also. What does poly indicates? Many. So in Java also, poly means the one task is performed in different way. Okay. The single task is performed in different way, and that is called as polymorphism. Okay. And there are two type of polymorphism, compile time and runtime, but I will teach you later because you will get confused in starting. But remember that in polymorphism, what is the feature? That one thing can perform many operations. Like you can have add method. Okay. Integer A comma integer B. Now you can have another add method which will have so here both the methods name is add. Okay, but one is taking 2 argument and one is taking 3 argument. That is called polymorphism. One thing, many form. Okay. Are you guys clear on that? Guys, tell me, because see, these are very core concept. In every interview, they will ask you. These are very basic concept.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, other feature of Java is abstraction. What does abstraction means? Anyone from the class? Guys, anyone? See, I will tell you what is the abstraction. Everybody has a bank account and they are using net banking.
Yeah.
Okay. So suppose you are putting username or password. Okay. I will share you that screen. To see my log, this SBI login. I am opening tab. Guys, are you able to see?
No, we can see only
Not
the
able to see?
Eclipse. Yeah.
Wait. I don't know what is happening. I have shared a whole. It is asking to particular screen. Wait, I will share it again. Not to worry. Wait, I will allow. Now, are you guys able to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can see.
Okay. So I will show you. Okay. Now, suppose you fill the details. Okay, X, Y, Z, any of the details. Okay, and you fill this kind of details. Okay, once you click on login, then what happens? Now currently it is this invalid username password because it is not authenticated. But if it is right password, then what will happen?
It will log in.
Guys, it will log into the application. Okay,
Okay.
it will log into the SBI application, and what the screen will be shown?
No pop-up, I think.
No, there may okay. If you want, I can show you actual screen. Because I want you to get a real time things. I don't want to make like uh, just you have learn something like that. Learning do from anywhere, yeah. But I want you to be know the things. What are the real time use of that? Okay. So suppose there are so many features like that. Account statement, profile, e-statement, pending, speed initializer, these features. Okay, these are the services. Okay, guys, all are able to see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So in abstraction, what happened when you have clicked the username password? Now it has came to which screen? This screen. Has any of that somebody has asked you that boss where you need to go? Does somebody has asked you, boys, where which screen to show? Just what you have entered, username, password, and the screen came into the picture. So that only I want to say that this is actually a abstraction. Abstraction means showing the essential features and hiding the background details. Means you have put the username and password, but you are not aware of the logic where it went and how it came. Okay.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
All are clear now? Everyone from the batch clear?
Yes.
Okay. And other features is encapsulation. So what does encapsulation means? Any clue, any idea? Guys, any idea about encapsulation?
No.
Okay. So see, encapsulation means already if you say it is a word made of capsule actually. Okay. Encapsulation, capsule. What does capsule do? There is two layer. In one layer, the chemical of that medicine is put, and above layer is to pack that capsule actually. Okay. So it kind of wrapping up of things. Now inside, can you see inside the capsule that what is there? Can you see the material inside the capsule, guys?
No.
No, no. In that way
Mm.
only, class is an example of encapsulation. Whenever there is one class, so all the data members are encapsulated inside the class. Okay. So when you can access the class, when you create the object of that class, or you are calling that class. Okay.
Okay.
See, if you have any doubt, you can ask. If it is a silly doubt, also I will tell you, because see, otherwise afterward it will create a problem. If the doubt will be not cleared, na, in future it will give a problem. So that I want from starting to be the things should be very clear.
So say the example for that encapsulation.
Yeah. So see, ma'am, class is an example of encapsulation. Class
Okay.
itself is an example of encapsulation, because see, suppose this is a capsule. This is a closing capsule, and inside that there is too much material inside it. Okay.
Okay.
Now, application, how it will know that there are so much material in this class when this class will be accessed by someone. Okay. Are you getting my point?
Okay.
Okay. Achha, there is one more feature. Apart from that, there are some more feature which Java has. Okay. One feature is association. Okay. So can you guys tell me what is association? See, in association, what happens? It tells the relations between the object. Now, suppose there is a class A and there is class B, and both are associated with each other. So, what type of association is there? Is it one to one, one to many, many to one, or many to many? Okay. This kind of relationship is shown by association. Are you guys clear?
Yes.
Guys, are we clear, or do you have any doubt on this? Clear, ma'am?
Clear.
Okay, so till now everything is cleared, or do you have any doubt in the things? Tell me, I can recall the things. Okay, clear guys then?
Yes.
Tell me guys so that I can proceed for next step.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, great. Okay, that's great. So now we will talk about Java full stack. What do you mean by full stack? Can you tell me guys, what do you mean by full stack?
Front end and back end development.
Front end and back end development. So basically client and server. Okay. So what are the client technologies? HTML, CSS, JS, Angular, React. Okay. And if we go for a server, then Java, JSP. Server technologies are mainly servlet and JSP. Okay. Okay. This is the backend technologies are called actually server side technologies. Okay. So why this full stack is on demand? See what happened earlier days, as I have shown you that my SBI login. Okay, so what was happening actually? Whenever you were, you know, uh, uh, suppose you are logging into any of the application. Suppose you are logging to the Zomato website. Okay, so now earlier days what was happening? This UI code was written by somebody else, and now they were waiting for the data to come. Now if suppose they have developed a UI and now backend guys has not written a data to provide something like Bhopal or any of the whatever the data required, so this application was of no use. Okay guys, so now what is happening? One person only is involved in writing both client as well as server. So this page is called a client, and these are written in some technologies like HTML, React, Angular. Okay, and the data which is coming in this, like in Bhopal, if you type Januma or Anand. Okay, so these values are coming from the backend, which is a server technologies. Okay, are you guys clear?
Yes.
So do you understand now why full stack is in demand nowadays? Guys, tell. See, it should be interactive session, no? It's not I'm teaching in a class and just you have written the material and you went off. I want to understand how much you had catch the how much you have grasped the thing actually. I want to know that. I also know 100% you might not be aware. I will ask A few of the concepts you cannot be aware of that, but how much you have get into your mind, at least I should know. I should know that. So are we clear up till now?
Yes.
Okay. See, this is now Java full stack. Now, apart from that, there is one cloud technologies. Nowadays in market, it is coming AWS, and there are multiple vendors like Azure, GCP, and PCF. So these are cloud technologies. So nowadays, all the deployments and all that are happening in this cloud. So these are used by these services were used directly. And now one more thing is there, database. Do you guys know what is database? So database is the thing where we can store our data. Okay. So it can be MySQL, Oracle, or nowadays no SQL is coming, Cassandra DB. So those things also I will tell you. Okay. So these are the main, thing required for any application to develop. Okay, full-fledged application. Are we clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any doubt till now?
Clear. Hello.
Able to listen me now?
Yeah, now.
Now you are able to listen me? Yeah. So see, now I am telling that I am not going to teach now. Do you have any queries to tell me? Okay. And any doubt? Because I have given enough information about the Java. Okay. If you have any doubt of any query, can you please ask me so that I can answer your queries?
We are clear.
What?
We are clear, I think so.
Clear? What about
Yeah.
this NCYB?
Yes. Clear.
And how many students are there? Only 2 or? Vivek, Dhara, Dheeraj. What about you guys?
Yeah, I am Dheeraj.
Achha, you are Dheeraj. Dhara? Vivek? Vivek,
Yeah, it is
iPhone?
clear. Yeah.
Dhara is not there. Dhara is not able to listen me. Okay, I think guys, it's done from my side. And do you have any queries? So you can post. I have still 5 minutes left. Okay, because I'm not teaching you more because it will go, bouncers and all that now. If I will teach more, so let's start slowly. Then we will proceed. Okay. Are you guys okay?
Okay.
Arun, is it fine? Arun is also the candidate, na? Arun does not speak at all. I think Vivek and Arun, they are into class or not?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, Vivek. So how you have find the session?
Yeah, it's good because right now on my job, that's why I didn't speak much.
Okay. Okay, Vivek. Not an issue. Okay, guys. If you are okay and if you don't have any doubt, then let's bind up for the day.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thanks for all. Thanks for joining. Okay. We'll connect tomorrow, same time. Jesse, I think somebody from SSIT. Okay, I think they are not listening. Anyway, guys, I am leaving now. Okay, we will connect tomorrow. Okay, at same time. And starting 5 minutes, I will still give for a doubt session. If you can thought that if you have not understood thing today and you can recall that you are facing some doubt tomorrow, so I will in starting 5 minutes I will ask for doubt creation session and all that. Okay. Okay, guys. Good night. Take care.